A debit card is a payment card linked directly to your bank account, allowing you to make purchases and withdraw cash without borrowing money. When you use it, funds are deducted from your account instantly, making it a great tool for budgeting and avoiding debt. Debit cards are widely accepted for online and in-store transactions and often come with security features like fraud protection and PIN verification. Unlike credit cards, they don't build credit history but help you control spending without worrying about interest rates. Convenient and reliable, they are essential for everyday financial management. A credit card is a financial tool that allows users to borrow money up to a predetermined limit for purchases or transactions. Unlike debit cards, which deduct funds directly from a bank account, credit cards offer flexibility by letting users pay later, usually with interest if the balance isn't fully cleared each month. They help build credit history, unlock rewards like cashback or travel points, and provide fraud protection. However, responsible use is crucial to avoid debt accumulation. With smart management, credit cards offer convenience, financial leverage, and security for various transactions.